RPM, not revolutions per minute, but what it is a revolutionary way to set goals. If you have never set goals, or if you have set goals but didn't really keep up with it, this method can help you perform better, can help you get things done a lot more efficiently than traditional goal setting. Okay, so pay attention, because this method is from Tony Robbins, who's a giant in personal development space, who's amazing coach. He has coached a lot of celebrities, lots of sports people, and he knows what he's talking about. So RPM, there's three parts to it. Okay, the first part is results. What result do you exactly want? Right? You always have to plan depending on the result. Now, Tony Robbins says this is what he gives an example of. A rocket. Talk about a homing missile. Homing missile is something that can lock onto a target and then follow it and destroy it. So what he says that it locks onto a target. If the target moves, it adjusts so that it can go hit the target, right? So what he says is, a lot of times result is something that we should care a lot more about than the way to it. We should not get attached to the way to it. And I agree, it's a very, very powerful thing. Why? Because haven't you heard the quote? It's not the strongest who survive. It's not the smartest who survive. It's the ones who are the most adaptable. Right? A very famous quote. So you have to be able to adapt your way depending on your result. For example, fitness. Let's say you want to get fit, you want to have abs. Instead of putting your goal says I want to work out, the first part of it, you set your result as abs, right? As abs. That is the result. So first you focus on your result, not the ways, just the result. Now comes the second part. The second part is purpose. If you are doing something, you need to have a strong purpose, right? If you're simply doing something, you're probably not going to like it, or you're not going to take it very seriously, right? Tell me the things that you took very seriously in life. Point them out. 1, 2, 3. Point it out right now. And tell me this. Was there a strong reason behind it? There probably was. When I say strong reason, it motivated you to do it. So having a strong reason will really, really help you. It will motivate you. It'll add as a fuel to help you push forward, right? There'll always be challenges, problems. One thing that will help you push through it is motivation, right? Having that motivation, and that strong motivation comes from purpose. This content that I'm doing is for a purpose. I'm not just sitting here and then simply talking or simply making content like this. It is not without a purpose, right? There's a purpose for it, which is exactly why I'm doing it. Now, I was someone who was not good at talking. It's something that's very uncomfortable. It never came naturally to me to speak on camera or on stage. Then the purpose came. I had a goal. To reach that goal, to reach that result, I had to learn to make videos. I had to learn digital marketing. I had to learn how to communicate on camera to the crowd. So I had to learn, and I was able to learn. There were times it did not work out. There were some videos which I was not really proud of putting out, but I did. And having that purpose, having that motivation helped me do it. So second part is purpose. Know why are you doing it. If you want six-pack abs, you want six packs or abs, why do you want abs? It could be any reason. It doesn't matter how silly it seems to other people. It has to matter to you. It has to matter to you. Okay? So next part, the third part is called massive action plan. You need to take massive action. Now, for a rocket, right? For a rocket to go from Earth to space, it spends a lot of energy trying to just get off the ground. A jet, or talk about a plane. Plane takes a lot more energy to take off. It takes a lot of energy to take off, and once it takes off, it's a lot more easier, a lot more simpler. So for you to get yourself a start, For you to build that momentum, you need to take massive action. So you need to plan up what are the things that you can do. What things can you do to achieve that result, right? For example, if you want six pack abs, you can list down the things you could do. One is what? Workout, like burn more calories than you have. Second thing could be dieting, right? You reduce the calories that you take in. Third one is, well, something that's very common now, surgery. You can get a surgery done, get your fat removed if that's what you want. And then you can think about it. What do I want in these things? And plan. And then say, you know what, this is something that I could take. If I want to get abs in 6 months or 3 months or 8 months, which way can I go? Now, sometimes you may not know the way. That time you can speak to some people, ask some experts, or you can start. Even if you know a little bit, if you can start your journey, you're more likely to keep going. So there you put an action plan and then you start taking action on it. Right? Not only that, you also plan on when do you want to do it. How are you going to schedule through the week? Now, here's an important point. You do not have to do it and leave it at once. You can break that down into chunks. You can plan every single day, every single week, every single month, depending on that big goal, and then start working towards it. The best part about this is that you don't have to stick to one way. A lot of times we fall in love with the way we do things. It may not be the best, it will be the easiest, but sometimes you have to adapt, you have to change, and that is where this helps a lot, right? And because you're result oriented as well, you're more likely to be motivated, and you are more likely to understand whether what you're doing will actually add up to the result. All you have to do is ask yourself, is this going to help me get to my result? And boom. The answer is no. You're more likely to leave that and get to something that will get you the result. Before you go, okay, leave a like, subscribe so that you do not miss videos like this. Like definitely motivates us to do this. With that said, share this video with someone who you think should get up and set goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.